Okay, folks, I'm over here at a buddy of mine's house, and he bought this '68 Dodge Charger. He does a lot of body work, restoration work stuff. He's done several cars for me. And about, I guess, 2 years ago, he bought this '68 Dodge Charger at an auction. The guy owned a bunch of cars, and he had a bunch of stuff he was fixing up, and he passed away. So they were doing kind of like an estate auction. And he bought this car. There is no VIN number on it. We're gonna put it back with a big block in it. He's gonna restore this car. He's been slowly gathering parts. You know, when you got so many projects going on, your own stuff kind of sits around. So he looks for bargains on his stuff, what he wants to buy and all. It definitely needs floors. I think he's got a dash. I know he's got a 383 engine. And he bought at the auction. The guy had parts. He bought quarter panel skins at the auction. So we're good there. I think he bought a trunk lid at the auction. And I'm thinking he might have bought a floor pan there too. That guy had bought quite a few parts for the car. And I say, unfortunately and untimely, he passed away. And I said, this was a couple years ago. I sold him that rear end that's in the car. He didn't have a rear end in it. I sold him that. So, like I said, he is busy working on other people's cars, and his stuff tends to get neglected, but he's in the process of getting parts. So I think he's got quite a few interior pieces he's found also. He's found some stuff on eBay and whatnot. So, just thought I'd show this to you. Hopefully, one of these days I can come down here and there'll be some progress being made on it, other than having a rear end put in it. But it is a '68 Charger, and these are very cool cars, very desirable cars. So, have at it, folks. Enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed this little short but brief video. Classic styling.